Hello everyone, myself Miss R. Manoja, Assistant Professor of Cybersecurity. Today I am going to discuss about Document Object Model. Document Object Model is a programming interface for web document that represent the page so that the program can change the document structure, style and content. Document represent your entire web page that the browser loads and displays. Next one is the object. Instead of treating the web page as just a long block of text, the browser organized it into a structured objects that JavaScript can interact with. So last one is the model. Every element like H1, H2 button is the part of a hierarchy, making it easy to find, update and manipulate specific part of the web page dynamically. Usage of DOM allows you to change content and appearance of the web page dynamically. DOM can be used to validate form data entered by the user before it is submitted to the server. It can be used to create animation and other visual effect on the web pages, provide a way to handle events that occurs on the web page such as button clicks and key presses. It is used in conjunction with Ajax to create dynamic web applications that update the content without requiring the page refresh. Document object model tree structure. Basically, the DOM takes the HTML document and breaks down into a hierarchy of objects, each representing the different elements like a heading, paragraph and button. Each element are structured a parent-child relationship. Here the document serves as the root element. HTML tag is the child of the document. Head and body tags are the children of the HTML tag. Meta and title are the children of the head tag. H1 and H2 are the children of the body tag. In this program, JavaScript to change the text of H1 tag when the button is clicked. The first one is the document type HTML declares the HTML document. Next one is the HTML tag, root element of the HTML page. Next one is the head tag, which contains the meta information about the page such as its title. Title tag sets the title of the web page which appears in the browser tab. So next one is the body tag. Body tags contain all the visible content of the web page. H1 tag creates the first level heading displaying the text like hello world. Paragraph tag is used to create the paragraph. So next one is the button tag. This create a button with the label click me. In this button have the attributes called on click equal to change text. So this one is the event handler. It tells the browser when this button is clicked, execute the JavaScript function is called change text. The JavaScript code can be written inside the script tag. Function can be defined with the help of function keyword followed by the function name called change text. Basically, a function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task which is executed when something is invoked. So here document dot query selector, a method, searches the entire document for the first element that matches the CSS selector called h1. It finds the h1 element. A reference to this element is stored in a variable name called header. So next line is the header dot inner text equal to you click the button. This line accesses the header variable and sets its inner text property. Here the inner text property represents the visible text content of the element. By setting it to a new string, you click the button, we replace the original text called hello world. What happens here is the button triggers the click me button triggers the change text function. When click me button is clicked, the JavaScript searches through the document object model and select the h1 element using query selector. Once the h1 element is found, then it modifies the text such that you can see the changes instantly. So this is the output for that program. The browser reads the HTML and it displays the initial page with the heading hello world, paragraph. This is a paragraph text and the button name is called click me. The user clicked the button, it changed the text content element to you click the button. The text of the heading on the web page instantly update to reflect the new messages. Thank you.